guys, welcome back to another YouTube video of Teach with Koala. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wordwall in Koala. Without much ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so once we're in Koala, we just have to go into our classroom as usual. And as always, I'm your teacher for today, guys. My name is Fred. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So guys, once we're in our classroom in Koala, that's my name right there. Once we're in Koala and you want to use the word wall, just go on the search icon on the board and type in Wordwall. Wordwall. And voila, that's it guys. So once you're in Wordwall and you want to start using it, all you have to do is basically sign up if you don't have an account already. And I'm gonna sign up just for you guys to see. So and my password is psych. So guys, once you've created your account in Wordwall, all you have to do is search for the list of games and start playing them. So Wordwall has a variety of games in which you can choose from. It's a broad, vast environment where you can play educational games. Okay, let's search for a game. What's this? A mole. See, anything with a mole, I like it. You know why? Because you can whack them. This should be fun. Hit me. Of course I'm gonna hit you. Did he just die? No, he didn't just die. Okay, he's alive. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yeah, 10 divided by 10, 1. 45 divided by 9, 5. Let's try again. Okay, so 18 divided by 3, 6, 2, 9. Level complete. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Guys, the second round, I'm just gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it straight out. Here we go. Here we go. 2. 42 divided by 6, that's 7. 30 divided by 5, that's 6. 24 divided by 2, that's not 10. 42 divided by 6 is 7. This is 2, yes. This is 1, yes. 300 divided by 100 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is not 5. 33 divided by 11 is not 8. And, ooh, a dollar sign. I got that one wrong, by the way. 80, that's 2. Level complete. See, guys, it's not so difficult after all. Third round, I'm gonna kill it once again. 5, Let's go to a different game. Let's try the game show quiz game. So I hear this game is actually really fun and I can't wait to play with you guys. And as always, we're definitely gonna win. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Start the game. Ooh, a quiz show. Question 1, get ready. Go mode. What color is the girl's hair? Her hair is brunette. Easy peasy. Correct answer, 100 points for me. So easy. What color is the boy's hair? It's not blonde, it's not brunette, it's not gray, it's black. Easy peasy, guys. Easy peasy. Get ready. What color is the boy's hair? That's blonde. This game was made just for me. It's so easy. I mean, I feel like I can do this with my eyes closed. Bonus round. So we don't have to get the red ones, but the green ones rather. So guys, let's look out for the green ones. This is green, this is green. I'm so confused right now. Which one do you think I should pick, guys? Let's go for the middle one. No! So guys, I think I want to try a different game. So the next game I want to try, guys, is a game called Group Sort. I heard it's really fun as well, so let's try it together. Once again, this should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Perfect. I mean, I love animals. I know probably every single animal on earth. So start the game. So a snake is a reptile. A dog is a mammal. An owl is a bird. A crocodile is a reptile. A frog is an amphibian. A ladybug is an insect. A toad is also an amphibian. A piranha is a fish. A lizard is a reptile. A penguin is a bird. A newt is an amphibian. A chimpanzee is a mammal. A bear is also a mammal. A butterfly, what's a butterfly, guys? That's an insect. An angelfish is a fish. Of course, a flying fish is also a fish. An ant is an insect. An ostrich is a bird. A pelican, guys, is a bird. An iguana is a reptile, I think. A salamander is an amphibian. A grasshopper is an insect. A fox is a mammal. A honeybee is an insect. Oops. There's a timer right there. A turtle is a mammal, I think. Wait, what? What's a turtle? Okay, so a flamingo is a bird. A hummingbird is also a bird. And I think that's about right. So guys, I'm definitely gonna get all correct over here. Definitely. Submit answers. Okay, so I had everything correct apart from the turtle. So what is a turtle, guys? So guys, Wordwall is filled with multiple games where you can play with, and you can use it through Koala as well. Just type in Wordwall in the search engine and find it straight there. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to go and try out Wordwall, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. My name is Fred and I killed all the games easy peasy. Some of them. Bye guys.